Hey again, it's been a little while. Just kind of here with a bit of an update. Last I left off, I was working on the 90 here. I hadn't yet gotten it fired up. Gosh, that was probably 2 months ago now. It has been a while. But I got it running. Pretty much right after I posted the last video, I put some gas in it and it ran. So, been kind of running it on and off for the last 2 months. It was having some issues. When it would get into high RPM, it would start cutting out. And then a couple weeks ago, we decided to do a fuel tank treatment. Just kind of like the pour-in epoxy coat kind to cut down on the rust. I was getting some sediment in my fuel filters I put in from the old tank, so we got that coated. And once that was done, we put the tank back on. It kind of ran for a minute, and then it just stopped, and I figured out I had no spark again. So I messed around with it for a little bit this morning. Everything seemed fine. The points gap was fine. All the connections were in, but I still wasn't getting spark. And I remembered I had an extra ignition coil that I bought and never put on. So I put that on, checked spark. It was stronger than it had ever been. And as soon as I got it all hooked back up, it fired right up, and it's never run better. So I'll go ahead and do a little start and run demo. I love that freaking horn. Whoa. Be smart if I had it neutral. Oh, here we go. Well, I think that's all she wrote. It's running good, pretty much ready to go. If any of you out there are having weird sputtery issues, high RPMs, I can tell you pretty confidently that it's something to do with your ignition system. At least that's what I learned. You know, I'm just learning as I go, but I'm pretty stoked on where this is at right now. Just got to get the plastics back on, and we're ready to rock. So, blew a fuse, battery's dead. Fucking figures. Alright, well, got a quick charge on the battery. Already kicked it over to see if it would start up, and it did. So, let's take this thing on a quick test ride around the block and see if we blow another fuse. I think that was a fairly successful little hot lap. I'm not sure if it's going to keep blowing fuses. I think I blew through 2 just trying to get it started back up, so we'll see what happens there. But still rode pretty good. It's probably going to need some adjustments now that it's running better, since I kind of tried to adjust it to when it was running poorly. So we'll see what happens, but gosh, yeah, ups and downs this time around, so hopefully next one goes a little bit smoother. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something. If not, I hope you enjoyed a couple of my follies here today. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Thanks for watching. See you later.